We had a vision to design the ideal trainer without disruptions or imperfections that interfere with the cyclist's power flow. To experience the essence of cycling, we had to create perfect harmony between the trainer's heart, brain, and appearance. This resulted in the creation of the Tacx Neo, powerful direct drive technology in its purest form. The Neo's innovative working principle has been the key to mastering the contradiction of being able to create a powerful yet silent trainer. Within the Neo, we removed all physical transitions. There isn't a belt, a wheel, or a roller. And this means that we've been able to create high levels of power and a level of quietness. The Neo derives its strength from an electromotor containing 32 precisely positioned neodymium magnets that rotate around 30 coils. This exceptional accuracy ensures minimal power loss, almost close to nothing when training. The higher the current through the coils, the larger the magnetic force, the higher the braking power, giving you the ability to really push your limits. To maximize performance, the Neo features a permanent motor. It is capable of generating 2,000 watts that in turn provide enough torque to achieve a true road feel, making it the most powerful trainer to date. Even at low speeds, it can deliver high resistance, enabling accurate hill climb simulations. This revolutionary setup offers the feeling of endless power without the complication of calibrations and maintenance. All this brute force needs to be controlled by a smart, intelligent mind. And we've employed smart technology to master this power. A true road feel for any person and all slope magnitudes are achieved by the variable inertia control of our new trainer. This brain is able to analyze the movements of the cyclist 1,000 times a second, and it's able to predict what's going to happen. This way, the Neo realistically simulates inertia effects, completely customized to your needs. The Neo is fully connected. Speaking the ANT Plus and FEC protocol, it can be controlled by any software package. It is even able to recognize if it's connected to the mains or not. So the power, silence, and intelligence can be enjoyed outdoors as well as indoors. We felt strongly that the Neo should also convey its inherent strengths in its appearance and design, so we opted for a stealth-like form language that emulates power as well as stillness. This new approach resulted in a distinct silhouette, and the satin black finish ensures that the trainer doesn't upstage the bicycle it is supporting. Another challenge was getting the motor and the Neo housing in between the forks of a bicycle. By really compressing the motor design, we've been able to achieve this, and the foldable wing-like legs provide great stability and allow for easy transportation and storage. This way, the Neo's design amplifies its innovative character and provides great usability and freedom. The Neo is not your average training companion. It represents a significant step forward in trainer experience. An exceptional partnership between design and engineering has resulted in the Neo, the first real direct drive.